please take care to avoid triggers. Now, if you ask me what a trigger is something that sets off an asthma attack or causes an asthma flare-up. Because different children have different triggers. Now, asthma can be allergic, asthma can be non-allergic as well. If your child has a history of allergy, as you would know that some children are allergic to certain types of food, some children are allergic to dust, some children are allergic to smoke. So if you know that your child is allergic, kindly see to it that the child avoids these triggers, especially triggers that you can control, which are in your environment, especially at home. But that is one of the ways you can control the triggers. The other trigger that I would like to talk of is a non-allergic trigger. If I were to mention, it would be exercise. It's been seen that a lot of children get an attack of asthma after a bout of running, playing, cycling, even swimming. So there are children who have exercise-induced asthma. Those children again need to be put on inhalers over a period of time, so that the sensitivity of the airways can be reduced to a great extent. The reason why I'm speaking to you parents is this, that I believe as a patient of asthma myself, that anyone with asthma can lead a normal life, can chase his or her dreams to whatever extent. There's nothing like, oh, you have asthma, so you cannot do this. Oh, you have asthma, so you cannot do that. There's nothing like that now. We have good medicines, and with good awareness and knowledge amongst the parents, I believe that every child has the opportunity to live a completely normal life, asthma or no asthma. So I would like to wind up saying this. So stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you very much.